Don't overthink it. I'm feeling bored with my hair, so we're gonna chop it off. Always a little bit nervous and excited at the same time. Let's go. I've got my cape. I've got a garbage bag over the sink to keep hair from going down there. Got my shear guru set. Let's go. First, I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Woo! I think we're just gonna do a big chop off lengthwise first. If you're new here, I'm an amateur, but I've been cutting and dyeing my own hair and my kids' hairs for like several years. So I've had some oopsies and I've had some wins. The big thing here is not to go too short because you can always get it fixed yourself or a professional. So don't go too short because they're gonna need room for fixing it if that's what you need. We're gonna go here. Just gonna go the whole way around. I like choppy. I'm just going like real choppy. Choppy bob is my jam. Don't overthink it. Don't give yourself time to freak out. The main bulk is done. I mean, that was literally seconds. Okay, I've also got this like trifold back here, which allows me to see, got this like ducktail going on. If you want like a simple choppy bob, that would be just done. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit of choppy layers to it. Then we start taking little chunks and pull them out perpendicular or like straight out. And you can either cut upwards or cut inwards. Just start small and then put it down and see what happens because you might not like it. So we'll start small. If you're good, you'll actually like use a comb for this. Like, let's see, we're just gonna keep doing this. Just kind of like, giving it some more choppiness. Do this occasionally. Gotta do it whole way around though. And that is a wrap. Here is the carnage in the sink. This is why I always cover it up, then I don't have to worry, and this is just my big garbage area after I sweep it from the floor as well. Whee! Is it perfect? No. Did I need perfect? No. Did I spend $200 and drive home in sadness that it wasn't what I wanted? No. Did I spend literally 10 minutes in my bathroom having some fun, giving myself a haircut that I actually like? Yes, 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 yes. And this is what I'm all about. Try it yourself, watch some tutorials, have some fun, don't go too short, knowing that you can get it fixed if you really, really mess up. If you thought this was fun, if you feel empowered to try it yourself, or you need some more inspiration, be sure to subscribe and follow because I do this a lot. And I've got a new fun color coming up. I do have it bleached under here. So when I do the fun, vibrant colors, you see what it looks like on the bleached hair and on the natural brown hair, which is so fun. See you next time.